Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick video, I'm going to show you how to reset a Dimplex XT18 storage heater in 2026. So in order to first of all reset it, you need to simply switch the heater off at the wall isolator or consumer unit. For safety, simply just leave the power off for about a minute before accessing any internal components. Now after doing so, you just have to simply remove the heater's access panel according to the model's instructions that you have. Now inside it, you just have to look for the thermal cutout. So it can look something like this. So this is going to be the thermal cutout reset button, which is typically a small red button located near the heating elements or safety thermostat. So this button is designed to basically trip if the heater overheats. So you just have to simply press the red reset button. If the thermal cutout has tripped, you will often feel or hear a small click when the button resets. If there is no click, the cutout may not have been triggered. So once the reset button has been pressed, simply reinstall the panel and restore the power to the heater. Afterwards, you just have to allow the heater a few more moments to basically start up normally. Finally, you can then check the display and the heating operation. So that's how you can do it. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.